out of the deep stuff. Chopping down on that at 13. Get in the hole.
For those curious minds that would have liked to have known, that would have been Jake Knapp's first hole-in-one, Doug.
Really?
Yeah.
He got robbed.
He did get robbed. I
had the...
"18-hole leaders almost never win. So I think if he's second, you're thrilled. If he's first, you might think, I don't know. Only had...
Here's Marty Doe.
Another player that could use a good finish coming down the stretch. Playing some good golf today.
Well done, manages this par 5.
Trying to make a birdie the traditional way with a wedge in his hand, and he does.
With 2 to play.
That's a good effort, though.
Just great speed. Gave it a chance. Really stress-free coming back for your par.
These greens are rolling so beautifully.
He when he first started, well, he didn't really have a coach, and then I believe he ended up working with.
This should have some break to it.
How good is that pace?
To the 9th, 509-yard par 4. Marty Doe with his second.
Bogey free on his round right now.
Oh, Martin Doe.
And that was the, what is that, the commentator's jinx?
Julia, what's your middle name?
Starting this up the left side.
Drips it in.
That's one way to try to get it close. Just hit a slinger. Golf shot. Very good. No, I ran it right the first time. Gotta hit it though.
Even par. Heading to the par 5 18th.